Okay, so we're on day 2 on site, waiting for tradespeople to arrive. The land itself is looking like this. It's been cleared, we've done some test digs. And today we're meant to have a porter cabin arriving, as well as a 20-ton excavator to start doing the foundations for the main house, which will go along here. There's our 7 palm trees. Here's our trees that go onto the beach. Here's something to actually get us out of the sun, and trust me, you need that. And then underneath there is all a nice undercover area, which is awesome. So over the next couple of days, we're going to be doing some time-lapse videos of the build itself, trying to give you an overview on people turning up and what they're doing. This morning started for me at 5:30, on the road by 6:30, down to town planning to do the application. That was at 8 o'clock. Managed to get into their equivalent of B&Q, which is a company called Cummins. Bought pickaxes and spades and all sorts of stuff. Got to site at 10 o'clock this morning, and I'm still waiting for the Bajans to arrive. So, as I say in Barbados, chill and it will come. So fingers crossed they should be at any minute. The other thing I'll do is also give you a quick view of the sea, which is pretty much up this hill, straight through those beautiful trees. As you can hear the waves crashing, and the breeze is nice today as well. I'll update you at the end of the day to see what's been done. Take care.